Hey guys, it's Strawman. In today's video, we're going to do an unboxing slash setup of Spirit Halloween 2022 Strawman. Let's get into it. Alrighty, got this guy in my local store. The reason why this is all ripped up is because they put that handle on, and then I have no choice but to take it off. I tried my best, but it's whatever. Didn't hurt the prop. I always like my boxes nice and clean, but it happens. All right, jam-packed box. Bag clothing. Instructions. His head is in that box. Leg foam. Another leg foam. Got his boots right here. This guy is by far the best prop spirit ever designed. Servo motors and the movement it's incredible. This is like a legit prop, like almost professional. With his action and stuff, it looks incredible. This guy's up there for one of the best props that Spirit's ever made, professional wise and stuff. You know what I mean? Another arm. His adapter. And right here. We got a lot of stuff going on right here. I got his metal poles and looks like this is his mechanism right here. Got his shoulder piece and his big beefy base. So set this up and face it forward. All right, let's get into it. No wasting time here. Boots. You can kind of tell which one's left and right, but not really. Not really a big deal, honestly. Go like that. Got both of his boots on. And rip open this bag with these poles. The first things first, grab poles, both labeled B. I almost grabbed C. Yep, looks like we gotta go B first. And 2 in. Now let me grab C and put it in. By the way, this is my first servo motor prop from Spirit. Don't have Grim. I really like them though. If they have them at 50% off sale, I'll definitely get them. All right, got all that looking up, and his bag of clothing looks like it's. Oh yeah, gotta put on the leg foam. This is awesome. I love this guy. Maybe my favorite of the year. Alrighty. Got that looking sick. And now, I think it's the mechanism. This guy's a pretty mellow setup. Love that. Just simple snap-in pulls, no screws, none of that. And all right, we're gonna get that adapter plugged in. And it's already the top clothing piece time. So we'll go ahead and throw that on. Alrighty. Got that on. I'm assuming it's whatever the heck this is. I don't even know what this is. Oh yeah, this is the shoulder form. Yep. Gonna get that in here. Alrighty. You can tell this guy's really high quality, and just we've never seen really anything like this. Alright, next thing is we have this box with his head in it, and I'm gonna open this thing, and I'm really excited because I have not seen his head before. I've not seen this guy in real life. Here we go, the moment. This is Looming Strawman written all over it, guys. Holy. Yep, this is the best prop of the year. My second favorite prop of all time. Calling it right there. Yeah, we have this pull, which is like a little tightening system right there. And that goes in. Just gives him a little more height right there. And we got his insane head. Look at that. That is insane. Put the servo in there. Alrighty. Oh, don't want to get ahead of myself here. Yep. Looks like we're going to put the arms on. So let's get to a time lapse of. Guys, this guy is the best prop of the year, hands down. My opinion, amazing. He's possessed pumpkin height. He's exact same height as him with his hat on. Alrighty, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Watch this reset. I don't know if he's on sensor or not. Okay, yeah. We'll come back. Let's see here. It's the exact same thing as Strawman. I mean, Looming Strawman. Let's see. Yep.
You aren't afraid of little me, are you? Why, I love this time of year. With the dead leaves all around us, and the darkness wraps around us like a mildewy.
Oh my god. This guy's insane. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.